let me down, for one, and everything is replaceable. There isn't a single part on this car that I couldn't get a spare for.
Excellent. Sounds good.
So a 30-year-old car is incredible. People think they're hard work, but yeah, that takes a bit of work, which
Thanks very much for bringing it. I've been seeing it. I'll say the all these boats want me here anyway. Thank you. Right. Another member of the Political Council. Hello there. You are? I'm Carl. Oh, tell us about your lovely game Conquest.
That one.
The Conquest 1953.
How much is a custom bang map on one of these?
Wilson gearbox.
Is that okay if I record it just for 2 seconds inside? That's beautiful. That's completely original.
That's it.
Wow.
Straight from Michigan.
Wow.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Beautiful. Thank you, my friend.
Rod brakes. These are 2050 scales. Wow.
yeah, rod brakes on back, semi-hydraulic on front, brought it back from scrap really.
Very good. How much you had to do to it?
Everything.
What's that mean? What's the bodywork bit like?
I brought it back from a chassis.
Fantastic.
To get one.
It's very, very fine Conquest these.
Very difficult.
Two or few around. They're not everybody's cup of tea, but this is classic cars country, isn't it? It is, it should be, yeah. It's a very different type of motor, isn't it? Yeah.